Need to make a little wedge that gets soldered into here. This little part is perfect. We got a habaki. We've got a habaki. Let's call the habaki done because it is very hot and humid in here. It's not perfect. If it was a commission, I would have probably restarted, but it's not. So I'm just gonna keep ripping with it. Ripping! Next time, we're gonna be working on the tsuka and saya, and we're gonna make it out of tiger wood. I think that's gonna look really good. What do you think? Like and follow? Let's make a tanto.